Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Clipper card. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now if you weren't actually aware of what a Clipper card is, it's an all-in-one transit card that can be used for contactless payments throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. So how do we actually go about using it? To start with, we must first look for a payment reader. From there, we can look for the Clipper symbol, and all we have to do from there is tap our physical card or our mobile device to the reader. And when our ticket has been accepted, you'll hear a beep and you should be able to see a green light appear. From there, you can travel anywhere in your chosen zone as many times as you like. It's just like using an adult travel card. From there, it is really important to touch in before boarding, and then don't forget to also touch out at your destination every time you travel. Otherwise it's classed as travelling without a valid ticket and you could actually be fined. So that's how you can use your Clipper card. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.